Good morning, children. Welcome back. So, today we are going to start a new lesson, which is going to be images in a document. So, today we are going to learn about font work, children. So, first of all, what is meant by font work? Okay. So, font work is a graphical text which is used to create 2D and 3D graphical text art objects. Okay. So what is meant by font work, children? It is a graphical art. So see, now I'm writing here. Okay. Font work. Font work is used to create 2D and 3D graphical text art objects. Okay, ma'am? So using this font work, we can even edit any text whatever we want. So first of all, let us see how to insert the font work. Okay. So see, first we should go to view menu. Within the view menu, we'll be having an option called as tools bar. Within the tools bar, you will be having an option font work. Okay. So this is the dialog box that is going to be edited, displayed on the window in order to edit the font work. So this is the font work gallery. So see, these are the different styles that are present in the. So see, these are different kinds of font work styles that are going to be appeared in the OpenOffice Impress. So see, children, we can select any of these options, and this, when you will double tap on the particular font work text, you will be able to see the cursor that is going to be appeared on the screen. See, once I have selected the text and I have a backspace with the key, the entire text has been deleted. So see, for example, I will edit it with another text. I have edited it now, and next I have tapped on the font work. Then see, the text has been changed. Okay, so let me show you clearly so that you can get an idea. Okay, so see, I'll show you again. First, you should go to view menu and then select the tools bar. Within the tools bar, select font work. Within the font work, you will be getting a font work gallery. In this font work gallery, you can select any of it and then double tap on the particular text and then see. After double tapping it, enter the text and again double tap it on the font work. See, okay, this is the way how you can edit the font work text. Okay, children. Next, now we are going to see other options that are present in the font work. Okay, see, we have selected it now. See here, once you have tapped on the text, you are getting different options. You can even change the shape of the font work. See here, there are different shapes. See, once I am selecting them, the shapes are being changed. Okay, see. So you can even change the shape of the content or the text that you have edited. Okay, children. Next, this is the option for what same height. Okay, whatever letters will be there, they all will be appearing in the same height. Let us change the format it is present, then you people can understand. See, all the letters will be of the same height. Okay, children, the size is being varying when you click on that particular option. Okay, and next you are having another option called as font work alignment, left align, center, right align, word justify, and then stretch justify. These are the different alignments that are present. Center, right alignment, word justify. Okay, next there is another option. What is a particular option? fontwork, character spacing. In it, we are having different options such as very tight, tight, normal, loose, very loose, custom, etc. Okay, these are the different font, character spacing options that are available for us. Okay, I think you all understood the concept of font work, children. How to insert the font work? We should go to view menu and then select the tools bar. Within the tools bar, you'll be getting an option font work, and then you'll be getting a small dialog box with an symbol resembling a television. Okay, from that you can select any of them. Okay, next let us see how to insert an image. Go to insert option and then select the option picture. Here you'll be getting from file and scan. You can select it from file, and from file, if you are having any images, you can edit them. Okay, as I am not having any images, I am not going to insert any picture for you, children. When you are going to, if you are having any images, I have shown you how to insert the images. Okay, go to insert option, picture, from file. Okay, this is the way how you are going to insert a picture. Now, in order to resize a picture, why to see only picture? Let us insert any of them that are present here. Okay, for example, I have inserted this one. See, insert, copy. See, here I have been pasted. So now I want to resize a particular image. There are two options. I can drag these particular border points that are present. Okay, or else to resize any picture, go to format menu and then select the option okay, picture, and then you'll be getting the width, height, left how much space you want, top how much space you want, right how much space you want, bottom how much space you want. Okay, like this you can edit them. These are the different types of ways how you can edit the resize the image. So I just don't want to complete the whole lesson in a single period, children. But still, as it is a very small lesson, we can complete it. Okay. So now let us see the different text wrapping styles. Okay. In order to check these wrapping styles, you should first go to the format menu. Within the format menu, go to the picture option. Okay, see, wait, let us check it. Format menu. And then go to the picture option. Where is the picture option? Format menu. Picture. Wrap. See. Wrapping styles. Yeah, insert menu, picture. Okay, this is to insert the picture. So see, let me tell you simply, just go to the picture option, then you'll be getting an option wrap. In that wrap, you'll be getting 6 wrapping styles. Okay, first one is none, before, after, parallel, through, and optimal. Okay, 1 second, let me see here whether I can get that particular option over here. Okay, no problem. I'll tell you again the particular way how you can do it. Okay, children. Don't worry about it. I'll solve the problem by the next class. Okay. So how many wrapping styles are there, ma? There are 6 wrapping styles. First one is none, and then before, after, parallel, through, and optimal. Okay. Next, as we already came to know what is a gallery through your mobile phones, right? What is a gallery? Is a storehouse for the pictures, right? So in this particular OpenOffice Impress also, we are having a gallery. So this is the gallery. So from this gallery, you can insert different pictures that you want. Okay. Just simply click on the, select the picture, right click over there and click on insert and then select copy. Automatically the image will be pasted. Okay, children. So I hope you all understood today's class. Basically, today we came to know how to create a font work and how to edit the particular font work. We came to know how many wrapping styles are there. There are total 6 wrapping styles. Okay. Now, what are they? None, before, after, parallel, through, and optimal. Okay. And what is a gallery? Gallery is the storehouse of pictures. From gallery, we can insert any kind of pictures that we want. Okay. Thank you, children. If you are having any queries, you can contact me at any time. With this topic, we have completed our 5th lesson. Thank you.